Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are at the bus stop. This is what the bus stop is looking like where we are. Now you do have some bus stop that has a shed, but this one is just a bench. Not it's freezing, I don't know. Yeah, so we're here waiting on the bus. We decided to do a bus tour for you guys today. We have done a couple in the past, but we're just doing an updated one for you guys to see what it is like taking a bus here in Grand Prairie, Alberta. What is the cost? What are the routes? And what is the process? Let's do it, guys. So we're currently just waiting on the bus. We have no idea what time the bus will be passing. So we're just hanging out for now. Okay, guys? See you when the bus gets here. Guys, let me just say that if you're here and you haven't already subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Take a second to give us a thumbs up on this video. And drop a comment. Let us know if you have ever taken the bus here in Canada and what was your experience like. We've been waiting now for what, 5 minutes? We've been waiting now for 5 minutes because we didn't quite understand the bus schedule, but it should be here within another 5 or so minutes, so we're just jamming. And plus the weather is good, even though not as cold.
No, right now I'm not cold.
Not cold right now?
At this moment I'm not cold. But maybe in the next few
minutes?
Yeah.
Nah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. So we're just gonna go on a quick tour around Grand Prairie on a bus. So come along with us today, guys. So one of the things that is the fare. The fare for the bus here in Grand Prairie is $3. Now this is what $3 look like. You have a toonie, which is $2, and you have a loonie, which is $1. And you have to have change because the bus drivers are not gonna have any change to give you. So it's either you're gonna use a bus pass or you have change because they're not gonna use any debit card or anything like that. So that's our fare. I got my fare. We are good to go, guys. We are good to go. Now, as we talk about fare, the price for the bus or the charge for the ride is, if you're an adult 18 or over, it's gonna be $3. If you're under 18-year-old, it's gonna be free. If you are a student at the college, it's $2.50. And if you're a senior, it's $2.50. Make sure you got your change and you're good to go. Or you can just get a bus pass that gives you some free rides as well. Hey, remember when we just meeting, we had to be taking the bus everywhere. Remember? Back to those days.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with taking the bus.
Absolutely nothing is wrong with it. Here it is. Put out and stop the bus, babes. Joke out. You don't have to do that. Let's take the bus. Transfer, yeah? Doesn't like your tuning?
Yeah, sometimes.
Thank you.
show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love, show me light, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love.
Always a vibe taking the bus. Always a vibe. I feel like I'm in my comfort zone. Want to come up at the mall? We can because I'm a bit hungry.
This is all we got. Show me light, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love, show me light, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me love. Show me light. Show me love. This is all we got.
Yes, Jaja. Okay guys, so we decided to bail off the bus because we're at the mall. So we're just gonna walk in the mall and grab some food and up on the bus again. Now the good thing is when you pay $3, it gives you the opportunity to ride the bus for 2 hours straight. You can just transfer. So we're gonna be making use of that, right? Let's do it. So we're now at the mall, guys. See you guys inside. I'll get it for you. Stop going like you're not used to it. I know you want to do window shopping, but
Yes, I do.
food first. Mall is empty.
It's Monday and it's warm.
Everybody's at work. I'm always wondering. Prairie Mall. What's that? Hello. You get to see the beauty of the mall when it's not crowded. So, it's very beautiful. Sephora. Buy no pay later. Buy no pay later. You can only do that online though, you can't do that in store. Ben Moss jewelry. Yeah, definitely. Life of a parent. What do you want? Okay, let's go and check out Taco Time or Eve or Edo. I don't know one in tacos. Or do you want a sub? You want the sub?
I'll stick to you, I know.
I'm gonna go with Edo, but you can get a sub. You're foot long. Foot long. I usually get the, what is it called again? The teriyaki chicken. I usually get the teriyaki 12-inch with sweet teriyaki sauce. Smashed avocado. Number 6.
Could I get a 6-inch Italian urban cheese with
How are you? Not bad. I'll take a teriyaki chicken rice bowl, please. Am I able to add shrimp? I'm sorry? Sorry?
Mushroom.
Yes, that's yes. And I was wondering if I can add shrimp to it. Yeah. Thank you.
It's time for color guard kids.
Yep, guys, gonna eat some food. Not have our 12-inch sub.
I don't know why I didn't get a tray for yourself.
So we can share a tray. You don't want to share a tray with me? Let's do it. Guys, you can probably tell from our face that we're really happy right now. Tummy is full. and we're heading back to the bus stop to hop on the bus again. Hopefully it don't take too long to come because we have Malika to pick up in another 1 hour time. So we might have to take a cab. So let's see how long, okay guys? Yes guys, so this is one of the bus stops that has a shed. So there's a shed right there, but then there's also benches right here. So we're going to bench it while waiting on the bus to come. If you're still here guys, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Give us a like on this video. How much likes can we get? Can we get 500 likes on this video? And also drop a comment and let us know what you think about this video. If you want to see more of Grand Prairie from a day-to-day perspective, let me know in the comment section and we'll try our best to get you guys these contents, okay? This is not our bus guys, so in case you're wondering, this is our number 6.
Pull it back a little bit there, funny this way. Just pull it back a little bit. There you go.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, that here's good. That here's good. Look at that crap. way from Saudi Arabia?
Yeah, all the way.
That's a long trip, man.
Yeah, indeed.
That's a long trip.
Yeah.
So, is it for work or school or
Yeah, for work.
for work? Now, a lot of persons are always saying that the small city is boring. You've been there for 3 months. Is it boring?
No, I don't find it boring. It's actually how you find yourself. This is a beautiful place, actually.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And you said you used to watch your videos from Saudi Arabia. I appreciate that so much, man. Did you subscribe?
Sorry.
Did you subscribe?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I'm always.
Always.
I'm always watching your vlogs, your daily routines. Like the last time I watched was it's like I guess your brother is here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, he watches it. Man. Yeah, he watches it.
I love your things actually. You're
Yeah.
so
Are you here with your family too, or just by yourself?
just by myself. But my cousin lives in Toronto.
Gotcha. So is it difficult moving to a new country by yourself, or?
Oh, it's actually kind of fun. Yeah, because traveling from one place to another, it makes you more find yourself.
Yeah.
To purpose.
Definitely, definitely. Well, John, we won't put you on the spot much longer. I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got.
Hey, take it easy, John. What's up? Yeah, thank you. Yes, guys, so this is the main stop downtown. So most persons coming off the bus, but we are not. So apparently the bus number changed at the bus stop, so it's not going to where we thought it was going, so we had to bail off the bus, and now we're actually walking to Malika School because time has catch up on us. So we're walking to Malika School, then we'll call a cab and go home. Fun times. I don't know why the number just changed like that though. I don't think that's convenient, especially without, like, if you're somebody who don't know how the bus system works. Yeah, that was like a big surprise for us. Yeah, I don't think I like that one bit. That would make more sense, right? That would make sense. Come in, biz. Let's run across the street. So today has turned out to be a real adventure, guys. We went from taking the bus to walking. We're gonna be walking like for 15 minutes, but we're gonna have to power walk because Malika School finishes in 15 minutes and we're a good distance away. So we'll just end this vlog right here. If you guys haven't already subscribed, please do. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.